Alrighty, we're over on the other side of the Bobcat booth here at Farm Progress Show, and I'm joined by James Crouch, who is a familiar face on my Twitter timeline here. We first met back in 2019 when Bobcat got back into the utility tractor market. He is here to talk to me a little bit more about this very popular model behind him and the fact that these tractors soon will be made in the USA.
Sure, yep. So the tractor we got behind me right now, this is the Bobcat CT 2025. So it's our most popular tractor by a pretty significant portion. People like it because it looks like a tractor. Like, it's not a subcompact, it's a compact tractor. It's got a very attractive price point, and it doesn't have any kind of def or regen on it. It's an old school diesel engine, and it's just reliable, it's rugged, it gets the job done. And again, at a very attractive price point. This model we have here actually has a front mount snow blower on it, so that's something new that we're trying to get ahead of the snow season. But going back to your other point, that's pretty exciting. Bobcat just kicked off and just broke ground a few weeks ago on a huge project in our Statesville, North Carolina facility, where we're over doubling the size of that plant. And the reason for it is we're going to start making these tractors in Statesville, North Carolina, starting at the end of 2023. So right now we're working with a supplier out of South Korea to get these things to market here in the US, but we've actually bought all the design rights. We're working on translating those into some Bobcat formats right now, and we're going to be building them in North Carolina. So we're really excited. We're going to it'll be the same tractor you see today, at least initially, exact same tractor you see today, just built in the USA.
Awesome. Well, let's take a look at this model behind me, or behind you, and get a closer look at some of the features that make it so popular.
Sure. So if you take a look here. So this machine has got a wide open floor panel. It's got a rubber mat that comes standard. Very simple forward and reverse pedals there, just a simple operation. Has an integrated joystick here for your loader controls or snowblower controls in this case. This one has a high, low, and a mid-range, so it's a hydrostatic. We also offer this machine in a manual, but at the end of the day, the hydrostatic is so easy and convenient. Price point's still really attractive. I always recommend people to go with the hydrostatic. It's just a simple machine to operate. So again, very, very straightforward and simple machine, economical, simple old school engine, good price point, and you got the support of Bobcat.
Awesome. Well, thanks for your time this morning.
Hey, no problem. Thank you.